it's Sandra Pike from Roller Page Atlantic and the Pike Group, and today I am here with Jack Cameron from Premier Mortgages. Jack, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, I've been in the mortgage business for the last 15 years. And
15 years, wow.
So a long time.
Yeah,
Lots of
a long
experience, because I used to work for a bank, and over the last 15 years I got into the mortgage broker business. So with that comes lots of experience and lots of options.
Today I'd like to ask you a few questions, and it's the buzzword, and I get some clients asking me, so let's get the right information. When people buy a house and they want to do some renos, I know you can get a mortgage called Purchase Plus Mortgages. Can you explain that a little bit to us, please? Yeah,
the Purchase Plus program is a really hot topic these days. It basically involves, once your agreement of sale is locked down, we actually add up to $40,000 worth of improvements if the client wants to go that high. But the thing is, we can build it in with the cost of mortgage upfront, and it's at the lowest possible rate. And that's important. So basically at the lowest rate that they currently have, and no additional cost.
What type of things can I do in a Purchase Plus mortgage?
So the most common things are, anything from flooring to countertops, to bathroom upgrades, to even to cosmetic things like painting.
Really? I can do a Purchase Plus on painting?
So yeah, all kinds of good things. Deck, the deck upgrades to even some outside improvements with driveways. Heat pumps are a big thing these days as well.
Absolutely. So when I write an offer, I typically give my clients 10 days to get their conditions met. So would a client do what would they do during those 10 days with a Purchase Plus mortgage? Do they need to do anything?
Yeah, so it's important to understand how that works. We want to get the client to get some quotes, whether it's from Kent's or Home Depot, and have those up front when we get the deal approved. So when the mortgage gets funded and the day they move in, we actually hold the money back on closing day. So until all the work is fully completed, and then we advance the funds back to the lawyer, and basically there's an inspection that takes place to confirm the work is done at that point in time.
How long, if I buy a house and I want to do the improvements, how long do I have to get that work done from if I move into my house June 1st?
Some lenders are 30 days, but some lenders can take up to 90 days. So you basically have about 3 months depending on each lender. But keep in mind that, when you put it in with your mortgage, it's only less than 3% right now. So it's a good time to do it. A lot of clients are looking at that to make improvements in their home.
So I'm a handyman and I want to do the renos myself. Can I do that? Is there any stipulations or?
Yeah, generally the banks like to have the contractors, licensed contractors, do the work. But if you wanted to do some, as I said, the cosmetic stuff like paint and things like that, we can, you can get quotes just for the materials. Okay. Without the cost of the labor. So we can do some, if you're changing some lighting, some countertops and/or painting, all that stuff we can just do as materials. So let's say I know it's going to cost me $10,000 because I want to upgrade my kitchen. Do I have to come up that $10,000 first and then you're going to reimburse me after? What if I don't have that 10 grand? Yeah,
then what happens?
That is a big question for sure.
Yeah.
Generally what banks like to do is have, we can set up a line of credit with the bank, or we can put it on credit terms with Kent's or Home Depot and things like that. Or maybe they have some additional savings. So we'll have to review that on each client situation, but there are a couple options. We'll review it in more detail. Awesome.
Well, there you have, folks. Jack Cameron from Premier Mortgages. If you have any more questions, how can they reach you, Jack?
A couple of ways. Reach out to me on my phone, 223-5225, or check out the website, jackcameron.ca.
Thanks so much for tuning in, folks. It's Sandra Pike from Roller Page Atlantic and the Pike Group. We sell stuff.